Hey everyone! If you're having trouble with Cash App not working on your phone, don't worry. I've got you covered. First, check if Cash App is down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Visit status.cash.app or check Twitter for outage reports. If there's a service issue, you'll have to wait until it's resolved. If there's no outage, try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can fix minor glitches and refresh your connection. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and tap Update if available. Cash App needs a stable internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if that solves the problem. For Android users, clearing the app cache can help. Go to Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. iPhone users can try deleting and reinstalling the app instead. If your account has been flagged for security reasons, you might need to verify your identity. Open the app and look for any notifications asking for additional verification. If none of these fixes work, reach out to Cash App support through the app or visit cash.app/help. They can check for issues with your account. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these fixes worked for you.